Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here with another Vanilla.js quick tip. Let's get into it.
You can use the array join method to take all of the items in an array and join them together into a single string separated by a delimiter, which you can pass in as an argument into the array join method. If you don't pass anything in, it will use a comma by default. So here I have an array of messages. I love Cape Cod potato chips, and what about you? And I'm going to call the array join method on that array. And what I would expect to get back is these two messages separated by a comma. And if I jump over to the browser, you can see that's exactly what I get. I love Cape Cod potato chips, period, comma, what about you? Let's take a look at using a delimiter instead of the default comma that the array join method uses. I think I'd rather have these separated by a space. So I'm going to pass that in as an argument. And if I jump over and reload, you can see now this reads more like a natural sentence. I love Cape Cod potato chips, period, space, what about you? This can be more than one character. So for example, if I wanted to use a space, a smiley face, and then another space, that also works. And now I've got this smiley face in between my items, and you can use this for arrays of any size. So if I wanted to add an additional item here, maybe I like Lay's chips, and reload, you can see each item here is separated by the spaces and the smiley faces.
If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.